Is it possible to pick up jewels from bunch of stones and count how many jewels that you are pick up? Basically, we are going to compare each stone with the jewels. If exactly similar matchings idre count increment ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. If matchings not found ಇದ್ರೆ count ನ increment ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So every stone ನ jewels ಜೊತೆ compare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Like every stones traverse with the jewels if it is found in not using the in operator. Let's solve this problem step by step. At very first step, I'm going to store the jewels in the hash set because if there is a duplication values idre hash set to duplication values na remove ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. In the second step, I'm going to compare each stone with the jewels that is it is stored in the hash map jewels. So I'm going to compare each and every stones with the hash map. If the matching is found, like in the third step, if matching found idre I'm going to increment count one by one. If matching not found idre I'm not going to increment or decrement, just keep the count as exactly same. So if you want full detailed explanation related to Python implementation, dry run code, optimal and brute force approach with respect to time and the space complexity, I explain in the full detailed video. So link in the bio. Do watch. Stay consistent. Thank you. Keep supporting.